Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're just finished GRI, which was a great event. A lot of interesting people, probably a few interviews you'll see or have seen already, and we want to stay with that. And really, clearly, a lot of positive things happening in the market according to the attendees at GRI and just the number of people at GRI. It looks like another booming year coming in the future. So we're happy to see that. Happy to see a lot of things going on also and new sponsors with our events. But let's jump over to Winston for the headlines for today. Winston, let us know what's going on in the news.
Good Thursday morning, and here are the headlines from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And Kazima has expanded its logistics portfolio. Gilog is choosing Segro Park Wrocław as its first location in Poland. There's been a groundbreaking for VGP Business Park Luxembourg in Austria. And Continental Factory in Serbia has received a LEED Gold certification.
So great headlines, a lot of interesting things happening. Just again, on September 19th, next week is our big event, our 20th anniversary cocktail party in Prague at the Julius Hotel. We hope to see you there. Jumping right into October, a lot happening in October. EXPO Real the first week. It's always a big investment week in October. Then after that, our CRE Awards, October 19th in Hungary, covering, of course, Serbia, Montenegro, a little bit of focus on Czech, Slovakia, Slovenia, of course, Hungary as the biggest market. So this is our fifth year of doing the event, so a lot happening there, some new sponsors, a lot of new people I can see signing up. And then straight after that, a week later, in Warsaw is our CEE Investment Awards, always something exciting to look at. Please join us for that. We have a lot of interesting things happening on the 26th, also at the InterContinental here in Warsaw. So having said that, we'll go right back to Winston Norman and the news. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 5th Annual Europa Property CRE Awards and the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the region. This year's awards really highlight the professionalism in the region, and with over 40% of the attendees flying in for the event, it is truly international. Meet the most active investors, bankers, and developers in the region. The CRE Awards is not to be missed. Visit our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Welcome back. And we'll start today in the logistics industry, where property investor, developer, and asset manager Kazima is acquiring a 77,000 square meter greenfield site in Germany. This acquisition paves the way for a new development of 32,000 square meters, which is going to be a logistics building. And it's set to be completed by the end of 2024. And the scheme will be developed with a sustainability in mind. And the project is targeting DGNB Gold certification from the German Sustainable Building Council. And according to Lucas Kester, we remain active in seeking strategic land acquisitions where there is an opportunity to increase our footprint in the markets where we already operate and across Western Europe. And in total, Kazima's logistic portfolio features 1.4 million square meters of developments across sites in Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Poland, and the Netherlands. Moving to Poland, and the German logistics company Gilog has chosen Segro Park Wrocław as its first location in Poland. The client will start operations at the 10,000 square meter facility in October 2023. And the warehouse will provide e-commerce and logistics services, as well as additional services for packaging and picking up orders. And the total area of the warehouse will be 35,000 square meters. And according to Martin Kognikstein, Managing Director of Penthening Logistics, Gilog in-depth e-commerce expertise will provide significant added value for many companies in the retail and consumer goods segments, such as fashion, sports, electronics, and food. Moving to Austria, and VGP is developing and building a business park in Luxembourg. Construction work on the two halls of 52,000 square meters is scheduled to be completed by next summer, and one building has already been leased to a trading company. And according to Markus Golob, country manager at VGP Austria, the tenants of the differently sized properties will be international corporations as well as Austrian and regional companies. And finally, moving to Serbia, Optim Project Management's recently finished 30,000 square meter factory for Continental Automotive in Novi Sad has received the LEED Gold certification, demonstrating its dedication to sustainability. The project has received the highest level of environmental performance and resource efficiency, as evidenced by its LEED Gold certification. The certification also is a result of Optim's commitment to sustainable strategies throughout the design and construction phases in their project throughout the European region. And those are the highlights for today. Please join me again tomorrow for more news headlines.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.